Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Nifty, Bank Nifty, Silver, Gold, Crude, Bitcoin, US 30 Dow Jones, US 100 Nasdaq, UK 100, DAX 30, CAC 40, Nikkei 225 and Shanghai are in the list. With these words, lots of love and blessings to all my students. Dear students, are you ready for 1 minute meditation? If yes, please join and write your experience in the comment box. Let's go. Hello students, how are you? Just listen the sound of the river. Close your eyes and listen the sound of the river, music of the river. Close your eyes and listen, just listen. Write your experience in the comment box.